Hi, this is Mark with ValueCharts.com. We are looking at a weekly chart of Apple Computer, and note that it has reached a support level right around the 528 level, and this corresponds to the low of the week of May 18th. Now, I believe it's going to break down through the support level, but there's a few things going on here that are important to note. The first is if we break the support level, the next support level really is not until the 430 level. So that takes us down $100 a share. And then beyond that, we could even say that the next support after that would be around the 308 level, and then possibly around the 280 level, and then all the way down to the $200 level. So this market could fall very quickly if it breaks the support level another $100 a share all the way down again to the 430 level. So that's important to note, and this could create a very good shorting opportunity here if it breaks the support level, which I think it will. The question really becomes is will this stock bounce before it breaks this, or will it break it right now? And I think there's a chance we could see some sort of maybe a pause or a bounce, but there's also a good chance that we could see a break of this, as we're projecting further weakness in the stock market in the upcoming days and weeks. So we have a very bearish picture right now of the overall stock market here at MicroQuant and Value Charts, and we are projecting that this will affect obviously a lot of the bellwether stocks, including Apple. And it's important to note that if we do penetrate this support level at 530, again, we believe this is going to happen, then we could see prices begin to fall very, very quickly. Now, just to take a look at what some of the indicator readings are recently, we had a beautiful bearish divergence here with a lower indicator value with the MQ momentum indicator, both on the indicator line and the histogram, while we had higher prices. So a classic bearish divergence. We had a bearish divergence with valuation as well, reading the value bars indicator. Back in the early part of the year, we had very overbought prices as the market really surged to news highs here in the significantly overvalued area. But we can see it with this most recent surge into September that the market barely was able to reach the significantly overvalued red bar segments here. So that's a weakening in the value reading, and this would be evident if we had a value charts price window up, which we don't. But so that's important to see that as well in this market. But we'll continue to watch this. Again, just be mindful of this key support. And this, I don't even think this is really key support, but it's the nearest support we have to the market. And we could see, if we break this, a move very quickly down to the 430 level. So it could be a very good shorting opportunity. We'll keep on watching this market and others and see what happens. Thanks for watching.